This is my new hotel home, so I just came with some of my stuff. I'm going to take another one. It's a 156. Nice. So this is my third hotel room. Hello, Clark. This is a little bit better than the one I had before because you have a tiny kitchen by the side there. Oh, I don't need to use my stuff, or when I use my stuff I have a place to set it like that. I have some two seats to sit down. I have a guest, and I have that one to be a little bit comfortable. Yeah. So this one I have to stay here. I don't know for how long, but this is what is this. Toilet. Beautiful. Hey guys, I'm very happy to be in my third hotel room, and this one I very love it. You can see the way I just pass the camera everywhere to show to you guys. Now I'm trying to set myself up. I have all my food that I brought from the another hotel, and yeah, the place is very comfortable. So I'm going to set everything down, and we're going to make another soup today. My plan is to make another pork meat. I love it. I can make it many times. So let's check it out. This is my store. I have my pork. I have everything there. Mayo,